guys, today I thought I would show you my marker collection. Down here are some older markers that I don't use very often. These are mainly Ohuhu and Huhu Hero markers. Up here is some more older markers, but I use these ones more often. We have Copic markers, Winsor & Newton Pro markers, Ohuhu, Huhu Hero, and stuff like that. I got this tower from Amazon. All the way over here is my 120 set of Ohuhu brush markers. I would say these are the markers I use the most. Straight above are my Ohuhu pastel markers. Here is my Ohuhu skin tones. And then here are all of my Arctic's Alp markers. Within these three sets, I have 202, an 80 set, 36 skin colors, and 90 colors. No duplicates. These two, I'm not sure about these ones. Arctic's actually sent these to me and I made a video reviewing them, so make sure to go check it out. They are a great alternative to Copic and Ohuhu. Actually, I have some more. These are some of the colors I don't use very often. So there are all my alcohol-based markers. I thought you guys would like to see, since a lot of you ask how many markers I have. I'm not quite sure how many I have, but I would assume somewhere, well actually in these three sets, I have like 330, but I still have that one, all these, and that, plus the box that is over there. So yeah, that's my collection. I hope you guys enjoyed watching.